Hello friends, welcome to my channel Edutech Idea. In this video tutorial, I will guide you how you can download ManageEngine Endpoint Central tool for patch management, remote support, software deployment, inventory management and reports. In Endpoint Central, there are a lot of features which you can use to manage your endpoints. So we will later we will discuss about that. So first we understand how you can download. So let's go to the Google, type here the ManageEngine Endpoint Central. In scroll down, here is the option unified management and security solution. Click on that. Now there is the option free trial. You can download this tool for 30 days and use for trial basis. If it is useful, you can purchase from the OEM sites. Okay, so there is two option. If you want to for the solution for the cloud, you can select here the cloud. If you want for the on-prem solution, you can click on the on-prem. So we select for the on-prem because we require for on-prem solution. So click in register first for download. You need to register here for the free technical support. Click on the business email here. Type here your business email and your phone number and click on submit. After that, this screen will open and click on the download. If then your soft now it's downloading. I have already registered and click on the download. Now it's downloading, so let's wait. Once it's download, we will install it. Now software has downloaded friends, so let's start to install. Okay, so click on it for installation. Now software installation has begun friends. Click on next and then click on yes. Next, this is the port for 8020 HTTP port and HTTPS port is 8383. So click on next, next, next. Now installation has begun. Type here the details for the register and avail the free technical support. This is the optional. You can skip with the skip button or click on the next to fill the details. So I will skip right now. Now it is configuring the registration process. Now installation wizard has been completed. Click on the finish. Okay, now server has been installed. So click on the icon. Now it is configuring all the modules like initializing the SOM modules and other modules, remote desktop sharing, patch management, EDR core,